Hi guys, welcome to Mega Mind Academy. We have a question on the board. A man invests a sum of money at 4% per annum simple interest. After 3 years, the principal amounts to 7,000 naira. Find the sum invested. If you are given a question like this, you are looking for the sum invested is principal. All right. So there's a formula that you can use to solve for principal. You have A equal to principal bracket 1 plus ROT. This is the formula to solve for amount under simple interest. All right. Now, mind you, they're giving us A as 7,000 naira. Okay. They've given us this is 1. It's part of the formula. It's just there. It's constant. Then you have R, which is equals to 4%. And 4% is giving us 4 over 100. When you do your calculation, you're going to have 0.04. All right. Then we are giving time, which is our T. Time, according to the question, anyone that carries percent is our arrow means rate, goes with the percentage. All right. Then you have your T, which is time. Time is measured in years in simple interest. It can also be measured in months, but you have to convert it to years. But in this question, there's no need for conversion because it's measured in years. So our T is giving us 3 years. So now, see how we are going to make principal the how we are going to make it the subject of formula so that we can solve for it. All right, so I'm trying to manage my space. We're going to have A amount equals to P bracket 1 plus 0.4 times 3. In mathematics, when two letters are together like this, there's a multiplication sign in between them. ROT means R times T. So R times T will give you 12. All right. Good. Now, we are going to make this subject of formula. Before that, let's finish what is inside here. So you are going to have P bracket 0.4, sorry, 0.04. Yes. Remember we got our rate, yes. So 0.04 times 3 is going to give us 0.12. All right. 0.12 plus 1 will give us 1.12. I don't know if you follow what we are doing. Yes. Then you know that in mathematics, when a number is standing before a bracket or a letter, it multiplies everything inside the bracket. So to remove this bracket, our P will need to multiply everything inside this bracket. All right. So you simply do amount. Remember, we are looking for principal. Remember, is equals to when your P multiplies everything inside this bracket, you're going to have 1.12 P. Remember, when you have a decimal number, that's a number that has a decimal point. All the numbers that comes before the point are whole numbers, but anyone that comes after the point, they are fraction. That's why you see me saying 1.12, not 1.12. This is 1 over 10, this is 2 over 100, but that's not what we are doing now. Now, our amount is giving us is equal to 1.12p. To make our amount is already 7,000 from here. Remember, guys. So you have 7,000, all right, equal to 1.12p. Now, to make p the subject of formula, guys, we have to divide both sides by the coefficient of p. Coefficient means a number carrying the letter, all right? So in this case, our coefficient of p is 1.12, all right? So we are going to divide both sides by p, okay? So let's come here. You have 7,000 equal to 1.12p, all right? I hope you are following what we are doing here, okay? This will cancel this, guys. So let's come here. Our p, therefore, is equal to, okay, so you follow me closely. Our p is equals to 7,000 over 1.12, which will give us our answer as 6,250. This is our principal. Thank you guys for watching. So if you have any question relating to simple interest, amount, rate, time, principal, you can always leave your questions in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you. Bye.